What's up guys, this is RAJAY 2445 and I'm gonna be doing a trick in Minecraft. It's called the pig volcano. I know Mr. Pugsma is the one that do tricks, but I just want to give a shout out to him because he's one of my favorite YouTubers ever. Guys, he taught me how to build a lot of things, well, do a lot of tricks guys, and they're really impressive and I really love them guys. And I just thought of a trick of my own and I just want to showcase it to you guys. I hope you love it and I hope I get a lot of subscribers and likes to my channel and videos. So guys, basically you're gonna get any block of your choice, but you just get a block like which is more volcano vibes, and you just do it like this. You can make it as high as possible. The higher the more better it looks, more awesome it looks guys. So you're gonna do this and that's the whole thing finished. It's not pretty tall, but anyways it will work. And then you just decorate it like this. I just like the style. You don't necessarily have to do this, you can just leave it like how it is. And like that. And then you just get your spawn egg, break this side and this side, then you start spawning your pigs like this. If you have a really fast device, you can spawn as many as me. My device is not very fast, so I'm not gonna spawn that much. It's gonna be a reasonable amount, but it's not gonna be that enough. It's gonna take a little while. The more pigs the better guys. And the odd thing about this volcano is that this volcano uses water to erupt guys. So guys, for a second there I just thought that Minecraft has a limit of how many pigs you could spawn. I'm just gonna, I think that's a reasonable amount. See guys, as I told you, it will slow your device down. Mine is moving crazy slow right now, but you can still work through it. You guys don't really watch that guys. The boat blocks are there, but as you can see there, it's just glitchy. You guys, then you're just gonna come to the top and then you just place your water right there. Then you just wait for the things to float straight up, then voila guys, you got a pig volcano guys, and it looks very cool, and you get a lot of food if you're in survival. And you do this. I just want to do another one because that one was so ooh guys, this seems very odd. It looks like a sheep from the end of the world. So guys, I'm gonna do a bigger one this time. Something huge and taller, because that one was so short. I'm just gonna do one with a larger size. It's supposed to look like really cool, guys. So that one was impressive, but by the length it just showed off a little. So now I'm just gonna do my decorations quickly, and then we're gonna go around here, do that as well. Yes guys, so this one is way taller than the one before. I just come right here, break the two, and start spawning pigs. Guys, it's moving like tremendously fast right now. I don't know what's going on, like my device got like a speed boost or something. Just spawn as many pigs as you like. The more the better it looks. Guys, as you can see, like my phone just got a jump boost, and now the boost is like going down. It's like nitro gas, guys. When you first use it, it goes very well, and then when it's almost finished, it just, you know. Guys, the blocks are there again, as you know it. And you already know the glitch already. So guys, you're just gonna come at the top now. Then just place you just place your water, guys, and then you just wait for it to flow up, and then as you can see, the pigs just fall out, and it looks so awesome, guys. And then they die, and you get a lot of food to eat if you're in survival, and you manage to get. Guys, I wish you could just craft eggs. So if like you're in survival, well, you were in creative first, then you just got some pig spawn eggs. Guys, I'm not saying you should only use pigs. You can use any other mobs. It's basically your thing, what you want to do. So guys, there it is, guys. It's the pig volcano, guys. Hope you like it. So guys, remember guys, my name is RAJAY 2445 on Minecraft, but my YouTube name is RAJAY Bunting, guys. Hope you like my videos, and this is my trick, guys. I just want to show Mr. Pugsmore that I can do tricks as well, but his own, I really love them, guys. So peace out. Please like and subscribe to my channel. This is RAJAY 2445, but my YouTube name is RAJAY Bunting. So guys, peace out, guys. Remember my trick, the pig volcano, guys. Any mobs you can use to make it, guys. It's very lovely and very awesome. So peace out. Bye.